Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, we have here a 1976 no mint mark, Jefferson nickel. Let's talk about this coin. And first, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust, Liberty 1976, no mint mark, Jefferson nickel. At the back of the coin, E pluribus unum, Monticello, 5 cents, United States of America. When we say E pluribus unum, it's a Latin phrase that stands for out of many one. Yeah, that is out of many one. E pluribus unum. Okay, now let's find out the value or the price of a 1976 no mint mark Jefferson nickel. Okay, here we go. The value of a 1976 no mint mark Jefferson nickel in average condition to be worth 5 cents, while one in mint state could be valued around $1.25. Okay, that's all. While one in mint state could be valued around $1.25. Wow. It's only $1.25. It's because, I think it's because of so many minted of this coin. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.